This is the unboxing and overview video of the VeGue VM70. There's not many videos around on YouTube. Actually, there's only one shitty video that I found. So this is the whole reason why I'm making this video in the first place. So you would not repeat the same mistake that I did. Okay, hard to open. Manual? Don't need that, chuck it. USB cord. This is interesting. USB to USB-C. That's good. Not going to use it, but... And it comes with an XLR cable that I'm probably not going to use. How long is it? I don't know. Probably 3 meters. I'm not sure. Don't care. All we care about is this here. A bit odd that it doesn't come in a little bag. And do we have a protective thing on here? I think. Is there one? Yeah, okay. There is a peely, so get that off. Pretty good. Now, it's cold to the touch because it's freezing outside. That's why there's so many fingerprints, because it's condensating, if that's the word. This is quite tight, actually. So let's loosen it a little bit. Oh my god, this side is very tight. There we go. Oh, and now it's very tight. So moves like that, moves like Jagger. Okay, this is the top side. Right, okay, let's put this bad boy onto here and check out the sound. Actually, before I do that, I should probably check the USB. It's with USB-C and obviously XLR. All right, here goes nothing. I'm plugging it in. It lit up on here, and I assume on USB you have to use these buttons here for the gain. Let's see if I can switch my mic to this USB mic. Hello? Okay, so I think what you're hearing now is from the VeGue. It shows up as VM70, which is correct. Oh, also, mute button on top. Unmuted, okay, bear with. Hello? Ooh, okay. Yo, this sounds good. There's a little bit of hiss, but I can hear myself. Let's turn the gain up all the way. There's no indicator. Let's turn it down. Okay, so there's no indicator for the gain, which kind of sucks, but it's not a deal breaker. I can hear myself with a delay, so that's why I'm talking funny than normally. Let's try XLR. Okay, so this feels pretty good. What does it sound like? I do not know, so let's hear it. Hello. So immediately I see a lot less hissing than there was with USB-C. It's very susceptible to touch. You can hear this. And now I'm gonna bang on the table. There's a lot of ping which the Shure SM58 didn't have. Let's do a little plosive test. I'm talking about like, I don't know, like a fist away from the mic. So I'm gonna go head on to the mic. I don't know what kind of plosive to do because most people do Peter Piper picked a pack of pickles or something. I don't know, plosive test. Talking off axis, plosive test. Still maybe not too good, but don't worry, because I got a thing for you. Or rather, I got a thing for me, because Santa came and Santa brought me, if I can open this, maybe this way. There we go. Santa brought me a goodie from Shure. This mic picks up everything, yo. Santa brought me a pop filter for SM7B, and we're gonna replace it. Replace this one with this one. It is on here firmly. It's not gonna fall off. The handling sounds of this mic are killing me. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickles. I don't know what I'm saying because I don't know the rhyme. I'm not English or American or native English speaker, as a matter of fact. Plosive. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Plosive test. So overall, I think is pretty good. Definitely better form factor than the SM58, which I've been using for like the past 2 years, I want to say. I started using my computer and trying to test this mic settings and stuff. And as soon as I started using my mouse, it all travels from the table up here all the way into the mic. The mouse sounds that this microphone is picking up is crazy. Probably the best thing to do is mount the mic arm onto something like a different table or a shelf or something. And some clicky. It's a bit shit, not gonna lie. I'll just test this microphone for a little bit and we'll see how it goes. Right, so here are my final conclusions. First of all, this microphone has no low end. You know what? Let me get right on the capsule. Let me remove this. So I'm really nice and close, and it has no proximity effect. It has no low end whatsoever. Even when I boosted the low end in the EQ, there still is no low end. The handling sounds on this mic, crazy. It feels super hollow. Very crazy, especially when I'm mousing around like you saw earlier in the video. The weight. I was under the impression that it's gonna be like at least half a kilo, or at least heavier than the SM58, but it is lighter than the SM58, which is an issue with these springy type arms. As you can see, it just goes up. I think I won't be using this microphone at all, maybe only a little bit, just to see if my stream notices any differences or what. I will be selling this microphone. It's not worth it. It sounds like ass. This microphone is no good. I do not recommend it. If you see it, don't buy it. Buy the F2G, F2s, whatever, SL40. That's all I'm going to say.